Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Weebly. This is an essential feature that lets you quickly reverse any changes you've made while editing your website, making it easy to experiment without worry. Let's walk through this together. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Weebly homepage, which is your main dashboard for managing all your sites. Now take a look at the left side menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on that, and underneath it, you'll notice an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the websites you've created in Weebly. Choose the website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click that button to enter the editing interface for your chosen website. You're now on the editor page of your website, which is where all the magic happens. This is the workspace where you can modify text, images, layouts, and all other elements of your site. To demonstrate the undo feature, you'll need to make a change first. Go ahead and click on any element you want to edit, whether it's a text box, an image, or any other component on your page. Once you've clicked on an element, a build tool will appear on your screen. This toolbar contains various options for editing and managing your selected element. Look closely at this toolbar, and you'll notice a left arrow icon. This arrow is your undo button, and it's incredibly useful for reversing any action you've just taken. Simply click on that left arrow icon, and your most recent change will be undone instantly. This feature is perfect for those moments when you accidentally delete something, move an element to the wrong spot, or simply change your mind about an edit. You can click the undo button multiple times to step back through several actions if needed, and that's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find and how to use the undo feature in Weebly, giving you the freedom to edit confidently, knowing you can always reverse your steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.